I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines. Today, December 24th, 2024. An impaired driver's actions led to injuries, damages, and messy pre-holiday traffic delays following a collision on Highway 401. The incident happened just before 8:30 a.m. on Saturday, December 21st, when a driver traveling eastbound on Highway 401 in an SUV collided with a transport near the exit from 401 to Highway 15. The tractor-trailer, which was also traveling eastbound, was sideswiped by the SUV, causing the transport to roll over into a ditch. As a result of the investigation, police said 53-year-old Abdul Hakimi of Oshawa was arrested and charged with operation of a motor vehicle while impaired by drugs and alcohol, and failure to remain at the scene of a collision. Kingston Police are requesting the public's assistance in locating a missing person named Mike, who is 45 years of age. Mike was last seen at approximately 4:30 p.m. on December 22nd in the area of 752 King Street West. Mike's current whereabouts are unknown, but he is described as 5'10", weighing 154 pounds, having a thin build with buzzed dark hair. Kingston Police have provided an update stating that 49-year-old Eric, who was previously reported missing, has been located safely. Police originally reported Eric missing on Friday, December 20th, noting that the Kingston resident was last seen the day prior. For more on this story and other local news, visit Kingstonist.com and subscribe. Use my code SarahB2024 for 10% off your subscription, and have a very Merry Christmas.